Hey everyone, Islan here. Welcome to this video update of crypto market, especially Bitcoin. Bitcoin is the godfather and the market moves with Bitcoin. So we'll discuss about this. If you are not part of the Twitter and our Discord, make sure to join. The links are in description. You get further detailed update about CPI data, all the financial markets, economy data and everything. There's fundamentals, economy fundamentals, so there's a lot of things in one place. You get everything about when it comes to information. And S&P 500 has been affecting the market, like a lot of things. Alright, there has been I've been uploading there's a lot of updates, details, weekly updates, whenever there's some move. If the market is just ranging, doing nothing, there's no update, there's nothing much happening. When there's something happening, actions happening, you get the update from us even before what we're expecting, like these videos. Alright guys, let's go to the update and I will share further with you guys. Weekly, if you watched my last update, in my last update I mentioned that there's a lot of liquidity sitting above this area. My smart money might want to get that. There's next supply zone, bigger one here. They might want to get that liquidity trap people there, and then from here we'll go further. Because in my experience, I've been watching this chart from 6 to 7 years now, especially Bitcoin. I've been crypto following it like crazy man here, and you never see a new run, a crazy runs without good consolidation. And if you see, we had last run right here, this run, it couldn't make it. It just faked out twice, trapped people into a FOMO, and then it drops because there was not enough volume. And I've been seeing this and I was not confident, even though I sold my BTC right here at this area. When I saw this on lower time frame, it broke structure, there was a retest, no volume following through, so I sold my Bitcoin right here. It wasn't easy because I was holding those Bitcoin from 2016-17. It comes down, I was waiting for this fake out, a spike to 25 or so to add more, and I was about to add in this fake out as well, which it was amazing because I was waiting for this, but there was a big gap. Then I got in right here before weekly close, and then I've been trading within that. So ultimately I've been holding all this run, sold up here. As I said, I'm in this from 2016-17, been accumulating Bitcoin, trading alts, and yeah, other than that, then the market goes up. It keeps dropping because there's a lot less. For me is, I look at the market sentiments, market psychology, what people are saying. When my cousins, my family relatives that told me, they were making fun of me of Bitcoin when I was in 2016-17 getting a Bitcoin, I told everyone to get in, even my brother and everyone. No one wanted to get in, and I've been told by them, my cousin, most of them in UK, they got in these prices and said, nah, I want to get out. When they get in, I want to get out. So they got in at the top, they had to face 50% plus drawdowns. Then the market goes up, still does not recover. Many coins did not recover fully, and the market goes up here and gives another hope. More people get in trapped. Those who missed the run, they're getting in pullbacks. And then again, I think there's a lot of liquidity sitting below this area, and there's a chance at some point we could see a spike down. There's a lot of imbalance in this area. Somewhere below this level we fake out, and then this is where I want to accumulate. I don't know, look, you gotta understand, I still hold Bitcoin long term, but what I've sold, I wanna put at very good price, because there's no point for me. Either I will buy at better prices. I was going to buy at this price, just it came to 32,900. I was waiting for 32,000 or to 30,000 range to accumulate there. So it comes to a weekly demand zone and then it bounces from there. But the thing is, you need to understand, it did not give enough time to accumulate to anyone. So it was just a very sluggish price action. But again, it was not very clear, smooth. So it goes up one good candle, that's it. You have very choppy price action. There's not much demand in Bitcoin right now. There's a lot of things going on with countries working on it, a lot of good things. All right, long term there is definitely long term bullish, 101% guys. If there's no crypto, there's not me. I'm all what I have, everything I made last year, multi 6 figure, which I never imagined I would. it was from crypto itself, because I got in the crash of 2020, in a March crash. I've been buying March, April, May. I've shared that in my Facebook group, which you can access from YouTube. If you go to the channel, you can see our Facebook group right here, and I've shared there. Look, this is what I'm getting in. I've been running this Facebook group from 2017 June, and 24,000 members. So I've seen all these YouTubers growing, and I've been making YouTube videos for many years. If you see 3 years ago, 4 years ago, so I've been doing this for a while now, but I've stopped because there wasn't any need of doing so, and I was very much focused on making money side, and I took a big break in bear market, and then I got back in 2020 when I saw the cheap prices are amazing. I said, let me get in, and everything paid off so well. All right, so who are discussing about how things are looking right now. This was our high, this is our supply zone, which market is lower high right here. Starting from here, market faked out, very similar to what happened at 65,000 fake out. The market is trying to go up. There was one big candle, which I mostly believe is short squeeze. People that were shorting this market, they go short squeeze, and the question is, after this strong candle, why is keep dipping much? And if the market breaks this low, I'm not confident what's going to happen with Bitcoin. And I believe if we break this low, this is our line now, neckline type thing, and people will think this as a double top. There is a lower high right here, and market rejected from there, and there's a potential chance it comes here, gives a fake out. If it doesn't recover, then there's, look, so many people think I'm giving you two scenario. No one knows what's going to happen. I'm not going to say this is what's going to happen. What I'm doing here is showing potential scenario. When I trade when I see a setup. My mostly strategy is buying in the dips. Okay, I played this dip. I was buying all the way down all these weeks. So I played this. I got in with 150,000 or 200,000 between that range, and I made 5% on the bounce, and I got out. I made 10,000 there. Happy days. All right, happy days. And this is what happened. And I've luckily, when this happened, I've sold. I was buying here, so I've sold some of it, and then I bought back in here. So it paid off very well to me. So in few days, 3 days, I made 10 grand, and I don't need to trade every day to do so. Once a month, I pretty sure I get the dip that my type of setup that I'm looking for. So every month, if you averagely you get 1 to 2 setups. So I'll wait for those, get my setup, and make my money, and then that's it. That's all I do, and that's why I have so much time to do nothing. And I want to bring some value to you guys and do YouTube and build up YouTube as well. I've been watching all the YouTubers that been growing, coming so after me, but yeah, it's probably time I should bring some of give back to the community as well. So the goal right now, the plan is, if we're going to see what's going to happen in this range, either we're going to break up or either we're going to break down. Then the plan comes. If we break down, how low we can go, and that's the question. And if it breaks this low, it will show me there's a lot of weakness. We had Coinbase ad in Super Bowl blowing up. We had Fed meeting and everything. Fear around it. It was already priced in these prices, these drops. But yeah, we'll see what happens with this, because this is going to be a place going to tell me, okay, market is not as strong as everyone thinks. Okay, because I want to read, because price is telling me everything. Okay, there's a lot of right now good news around everywhere. Alright, the war, they are saying it's not gonna happen. They are already taking their troops back, and everything is getting better. About Fed, people are already saying it's priced in. The fear of Fed is reducing a lot, Federal Reserve. So market needs to show that on the chart. These charts are showing me how people are reacting, how much they are forward in, everything. The volume is very low, volume is declining, the market is moving up. It's not a great sign. So I'll give it a go. Give it time to prove itself. All right, if we break this is going to be very nice base for Bitcoin, and then you can see a further move up to 48 to 50,000 in my opinion. because that's next supply zone on weekly. Okay, this is a goal right now to see this high broken. Even this, if this breaks, it will show that bulls are coming back in, even this high, because this will create another higher high on lower time frame. Will be very nice opportunity if you can get in a trade. It would be very nice. Purple will try to sell here, so it can give you a pullback here and do that, and you can even do a fake out here and then do that. This all the possibilities. That's why you have to manage risk. If you're trading, if you're investing it, just buy the dips. Simple as that. Long term, everyone is bullish, everything is bullish, because supply is limited. It's not like a dollar. They've been printing so much, every currency, so it is different game. So you have to just accumulate. When it dips, accumulate, buy. Your average will be like this. You would be in profit now if you've been accumulating dips. So my goal is different. I'll share one day my goal with you guys. I've been sharing this in my Discord, chatting with members what my goal is. I want to make 10x from 100,000 to 1 million. That's my next goal, getting in bear market. If we can get a better prices, because market moves in cycle, guys. Most people that wanted to FOMO in, they already FOMO'd in, and I want to see what happens next. To create one Bitcoin mining, I think the cost is around 20,000. That's what I remember when I checked last year, when the prices were here. So I'm pretty sure it didn't change much. So it was below 15,000, around 15,000, maybe 20,000. So that's the best way to know what fair price is. And for now, I want to see a few months consolidation, like we've seen down here. These consolidations I want to see right here. If market gives me a good size of face right here, I'm interested to accumulate here. If it goes fakes out or something, I'm interested to buy the dips. Okay, no one knows where the bottom is going to be. Everyone said in 2018 this is not same as 2013, but look what happened. This was very parabolic, so it dropped very badly as well. It doesn't mean it's gonna drop as bad, but it's gonna be slow. There's more liquidity now, bigger market cap, so it's gonna be slow and sluggish, and we'll see how it goes. You gotta take a break, be slow, do not rush into these things. You will get more than enough time and chance. The thing is, right now I'm seeing a lot of weakness in the market. You see, this is very nice setup right here, which got rejected. 4-hour bullish engulfing, it should have keep going if there was any bulls pressure. It didn't. Even here it struggled so much, but it went up, took more liquidity from this high, and then it just couldn't go anywhere. The market has, I think this went up because of a lot of Super Bowl and a lot of news coming from Russia, other countries legalizing Bitcoin. These are rumors at the moment, and we'll see what happens. The rumors are already priced in. I think after rumors we'll see some kind of dip, and they were saying legalizing is going to happen this week if happens with Russia. I'm going to monitor how it goes, and so many people thinking of that this trend line broke. Okay, I think I've removed it. That's fine, I'll do it again. So many people looking at this trend line broke, but you have to understand, guys, this was broken as well. It dipped. When the market is in downtrend and there's a big wick like that, and the price action is very bad, it doesn't mean it's keep going to go up 100%. There are probabilities. Our market moves in probabilities, and it doesn't mean it's always going to do that. So it's trying. If it doesn't recover, doesn't break this high of 46,000, I think we can see further lower prices. It will retest probably 37's area, and it will take time. Market is not just going to sharply drop easily, in my opinion, because sellers are already exhausted from this huge selling pressure. But there are some sellers sitting here because there's a lot of confidence. You have to understand, people that are stuck buying here, they want to get out. Those who are buying here, then average down here, their average is somewhere middle. They want to get out a break even because they're expecting further low prices. So we'll see what happens next. Thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you next video. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see. Bye.